Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. The joint setup screen allows a user to create a setup file that can be transferred to the ArcReach heater. The joint identifier 1, 2, and 3 fields are used to enter information regarding the joint to be heated. The names of these fields are customizable in the Settings section. The Technician field can be used to enter the name of the person performing the heating. A name can also be entered when the chart data is viewed. Minimum temperature, the minimum allowable temperature of the joint prior to welding. Maximum temperature, the maximum allowable temperature of the joint to be heated. Target temperature, the target temperature of the part under the heating device, air-cooled heating cable or quick wrap. The target temperature value must be between the minimum temperature and maximum temperature values if they were entered. To create a new joint setup file, all fields with an asterisk next to them are required to create a setup file. Select Save File to save the file to a USB memory stick or other location on your computer. Use the USB memory stick to transfer the file to the ArcReach heater.